The 2025 KTM 500 EXC-F Champion Edition packs raging horsepower into a lightweight, ready-to-race chassis. Not only does it pack a championship-winning punch, it also brings unmatched handling and a stellar electronics package to the battleground. 2025 KTM EXC Champions Edition highlights are: Red Bull CTG, orange frame radiator fan, map select switch, orange front axle puller, semi-floating front brake disc, SUPERSPROX stealth rear sprocket, skid plate, frame protection set, factory seat. Graphics just like it says in the tin. The KTM Champions Edition range takes its inspiration from our KTM Red Bull factory racing championship winning machines. Boasting an unmatched ready-to-race look, and backed up by a list of top-shelf parts, this is the choice of champions. The SOHC engine in the KTM 500 EXC-F Champion Edition is an undeniable powerhouse. Weighing in at a mere 29.5 kilograms, it's remarkably lightweight for its power output. Designed with mass centralization in mind, this hard-hitting power factory features a low center of gravity, providing exceptional handling, maneuverability, and overall anti-squat behavior. A radiator fan is also fitted as standard to add more cooling power. The 2025 KTM 500 EXC-F Champion Edition is engineered around a gloss orange powder-coated frame, providing exceptional rider feedback, energy absorption, and high-speed stability. A 48mm WPX-ACT closed cartridge spring fork provides fast and consistent damping, with optimized oil flow. Wheels and tires. The KTM 500 EXC-F Champion Edition is fitted with a set of Michelin Enduro tires, which provide outstanding traction thanks to an innovative tread design that adapts perfectly to sandy, grassy. The 2025 KTM EXC range features a rider-focused body position triangle, providing improved knee contact, especially when standing on the pegs, with improved gripping surfaces all around. With the plastics working to expel mud buildup in wet, muddy conditions, a flat seat profile with a high grip seat cover providing exceptional rider movement and control, and a polyamide reinforced aluminum subframe providing unmatched rider feel and feedback, your only concern is navigating the terrain ahead of you.